You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is originally a name from Spanish, a given name. In Spanish, it's pronounced as Belen. It has an accent on the E, the second E in Spanish, meaning that you stress on the second syllable, Belen. Therefore, in English, it's usually pronounced, I know a lot of people say it as Belen, like as in Ellen, Belen, but I think it should usually be pronounced more as Belen. Belen. How do you pronounce it yourself? Belen or Belen? Let us know in the comments and upvote each other's comments so we can all learn which pronunciation is best. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.